Okay guys, so this is the moment of truth. So I have gone ahead and put the gel in my applicator bottle, and I've got my comb to detangle, and I just have a little extra in the bowl, and I'm gonna start with that. Then I have some water, so I'm gonna start from the back. So this is freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. So I'm just gonna spray. So this is what my hair is looking like with no products whatsoever, just freshly washed and deep conditioned. And I'm gonna grab our gel. Okay, and I'm just gonna put that. There we go. Really hard to put from the bowl. I think I have way too much hair going on here, so I'm just gonna section it off, and I'm gonna work with this. Okay. Really easier to work with the applicator bottle. So I'm just gonna ooh. Okay, look at this. Ooh. I'm shocked. I'm out of words right now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put this. I'm probably gonna leave the front section so that I can show you guys again how I do it, but let me just go ahead and just put on the rest of my head. So this is my hair right now. It's a little gross, I won't lie, I won't even lie. It's a little gross, but the results are amazing. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Would you do this? Would you put okra juice in your hair? I'll tell you this, my hair feels amazingly soft. It's so soft, it feels so juicy. Curls, the curls are popping. My hair looks so dark too, and so thick. I feel you guys are sleeping on coffee. I want you guys to see my hairline. This is actually the first time I'm actually able to see like how my hairline is structured. Like, all I knew was that my hair started from here and then I had little baby hairs here, but look at the way my hair has improved so much. And I'm giving all the credit to coffee. So you guys are sleeping on coffee. Stop drinking that coffee and start putting it in your hair. Anyway, I'm straying away from the main thing here, which is okra, and I'm digging this, I won't lie, apart from the whole it's slipping and dripping and the gooiness, but I'm digging this. So let me show you guys this section. So this is what it looks like wet. This is what it looks like wet. Okay, so unfortunately, because it's pretty late, I cannot let this air dry. I'm just gonna grab my hair dryer and I'm just gonna blow dry my hair like that until my hair is somewhat kind of dry, because I did put a lot of okra gel in my hair, so it's gonna take some time for my hair to dry. But I'll be back to show you guys what my hair looks like when it's fully dry, or kind of dry, whichever one will have. Alright, so I'm all done, and this is the result. I love it. It is a great alternative for like eco styling gel, you know, your wash and go kind of gels. It's perfect. I don't know if it would hold for a low bun or like a slick ponytail. I'm not sure if it would hold for that, but I think it actually would. I really do think that it would hold. But I cannot say because I haven't tried it out, but for a nice wash and go, perfect. My hair, first of all, I know it looks like it can't move right now, but I think that's due to the blow drying, but you can definitely manipulate it into the shape that you want it to be. So feeling it, my hair feels soft. It feels like I've put in a, like, you know, leave-in conditioner. I've oiled it up. It's all good and juiced up, and it's got everything that it needs. That is what my hair feels like. It feels soft. In as much as it has dried up, it feels soft. As you can see, there are no white residues, so that's a plus. So that means no flaking. I love it, man. I love it. Guys, okra, wash and go, perfection. I think I would love to try the wet look, like natural hair wet look with the okra gel, but a video for another day. So guys, I've come to the end of my video. Let me know if you would use okra gel for your hair, and if you wouldn't, let me know why. Because I mean, why wouldn't you? So thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that red button and then hit the bell button that's right next to it, so that you are always informed when I upload. Damn. Anyway guys, see you guys on my next video.